Good morning. Now we are going to discuss mensuration chapter, three-dimensional shapes, surface area and the body. For that, today we are going to discuss cube, cuboid and cylinder. For that, first you need to analyze the two-dimensional shapes. The two-dimensional shapes are, first you have square. This side is supposed A. Now the area is nothing but A square. This full area A square. We need this thing to find the surface area of the cube. So for that, suppose our cube in this box. Now think about the sides. The sides totally, you can realize that the view of the particular cube. Suppose it's a square form. The view, front view, and the back view also square. Side view, side also square. This side also square. Top also square. Bottom also square. So totally, this is the closed shape by six sides. Six sides. For each side we have area. So for that front side 6a square. Front side that area. This area is square area a square. And back side a square. Side also a square. Top also a square. Bottom also a square. So this is the enclosed shape by six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we are going to collect these six sides as a surface area of the cube. So we are going to study the surface area of the cube by using the six closed square form. So we have the relations between square and cube. For that, total surface area of this one is 6a square. Right. First, we need to study total surface area of square and cuboid. Sorry, square and a rectangle. Suppose you have a rectangle. The rectangle, this length is L. This one is breadth. Now the area L into B. The same way, this one is a cuboid. So in the same way, we have here also six sides. That suppose cuboid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 sides. Front view, back view, side view, and top view. Like that, we can visualize the particular cuboid. In this cuboid, we need to write the same area. For that, here this looking side L. Suppose I am going to consider this one as B. Suppose this one is L, this one is B. What happened? Top view L length into B, LB. Top view LB. And bottom view also LB. Side view. The side view here B with height. So B height. Both are equal, opposite sides are equal. No, the length opposite side are equal in our rectangle. Similarly, the next one, that is this thing. This way we analyze. Now come to this one. This one include L and height. That is HL. So totally this is also enclosed by 6 sides. So you can realize LB, LB, two length, that is top and bottom, plus BH plus BH. This one side view, and this is also HL plus HL, two sides. So totally 6 sides. So for that 2 into LB, just 2 times of LB, 2 times of BH, plus 2 times of HL. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now come to the lateral surface area. What is meant by the lateral surface area of Q1 to Q5? So just remove the flows. Suppose you have you are in our house or you are in a school. Just we need to analyze the walls. Just remove the floors. Now the enclosed receipt is 4 walls. So this is the enclosed receipt of the 4 walls. So you can analyze that top and bottom things we can remove. So only side we are going to analyze sides. Further 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides we have. So for that we are going to consider only 4 sides. Suppose example we need to whitewash our walls. Next we are going to remove the floors. So for that we are going to consider the side walls. So it's surrounded by 4 walls. So this may be give or give by. So just consider 1 a square, 2 a square, 3 a square, 4 a square. That is totally 4 a square. This thing. So now flaunted surface area is called lateral surface area. Bending shape is called curved surface area. So for the cylinder we have bending shape. So that it's called curved. But in that flat form it's called lateral. So now only 4 is. But come to that lateral surface area of cuboid. Just remove the top view and bottom view. The top view is L into B, L into B. Bottom view also L into B. So we are going to remove this thing. So that is we are going to cut LB. Now what happened in our form? 2BH plus 2HR. I can use 2 and H are common. 2H into remaining B here L. I can rewrite this 2H into L plus B. I can rewrite as L plus B. So here 2H into L plus B is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Okay. Now we need to study the important thing. So cylinder. Right. Cylindrical shape already we know that we have many examples. We have our pipes and many rounded things are cylinder. Now we are going to consider the cylinder. Such type of cylinder using height and the radius. So it's in the form of, suppose it's a 2 dimension, it's a 3 dimension. In the cylinder, I am going to consider the total surface area. For that, top view is a circle. Top view is a circle. Bottom view also. Bottom view also circle. This one a curved bending is same. This one is look like the shadow look like a rectangle. If you are going to analyze this thing only, the shadow rectangle. This one we are going to consider the rectangle. Why we need to consider the rectangle? This thing. So this one is circle. So I am going to put the circle from here. This is also circle. This wave and this wave. Just I am just to open it. This I am going to open this. This one of the circle. Circle area I need. So that I am just draw circle. Bottom also circle area we need. So I am just draw. Now I am going to cut using one line in the particular curved shape. Using a vertical line and vertical. So what happened? This one is look like a rectangle. This one is look like a rectangle. It look like a rectangle. That is, this one is circle. This one is look like a rectangle. This one is also a circle. Right. Now we need to write all the mensuration. For that, we are going to consider the area. Here circle, so circle area pi r square. Here also circle area pi r area. Now think about the rectangle area. Rectangle area, we know that L into B. So for that, this one is height. We are going to consider the height of the pipe. So height is h. Now what the length of this thing? Length of this thing is nothing but the shape of this circle. The circle I am just cut at one point. I am going to remove this. So that is now a circle. I just cut at one point. So we can write or we can draw the length. This length is nothing but this circle is nothing but that length we can calculate. This is nothing but circumference of circle. Just cut at one point and remove. So what is the length? This length is nothing but circumference of circle. Now the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. This length is 2 pi r. Now think about this is also not the number 2 pi r, but anyway it's one of the number like L. This is L value, this is B value. Now the area of the particular cylinder 2 pi r into h. Okay, right. So now we need to analyze this thing. So 2 pi r into h plus bottom and top view is circle, so pi r square plus pi r square. So 1, 2, 3. So totally 3 areas we have like a cube, like cuboid. Here 3 sides. Further here bending sides, so there we have pi. Right. So here this curved shape. No. So this one is 2 pi r h. Top side area pi r square, bottom side also pi r square. Right. Now this one we can write in a simple form. So pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square. We can write 2 pi r into h plus we can split as r square as r into r. So 2 pi into r into r. Now 2 pi r common. We can consider as 2 pi r into h plus r. Now the total surface area of particular cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. But think about that curved surface area, only this curved area. Already we studied this is the rectangle area 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r into h. That's all. So just curved surface area only 2 pi r h. This one 2 pi r into h plus r. Now think about the volume. Already you have area a square. Just volume once again another dimension. So a to the power 3. If you have side s, we can write as s power 3. The same way volume of cuboid, you have L B, so L into B into H, the product. And next one is a cylinder. In that cylinder, we have a top and a bottom. In the bottom, we have a totally area. That area is pi r square into height. So we are going to consider all the parts. In that circle, all the parts. We are going to consider all the part with the height. All the part with the height. That is part pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square with the height. So totally just this thing pi r square into h. Already we have a spring type. That spring covers certain area with some height. That is cylinder. If you have a spring, if in that the spring covers a certain circle area, that is pi r square. Suppose remove your finger means we have certain length. So the product is here volume. So pi r square into h. So now I introduce this thing. So the analysis of the problems and the analysis is important. So for that I am introducing the formulas. Here think about the cylinder. If you are going to find the lateral surface area, something means already we know the circumference. After that, just extend the formula. Already we have circumference 2 pi r. So now the curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. Here 2 pi r into h plus r. This thing right. In the same way, volume. Think about that area of a circle, pi r squared and pi r squared into h. Learn this thing. And we need that analysis. What type of analysis needed? Suppose just we are going to whitewash the walls. Just we are going to remove the bottom and the top sides. For that we need to consider the lateral surface area of the cuboid. The same way, pillars. The pillar is nothing but top side also closed and the bottom side also closed. We need to whitewash or we need to paint the pillars. For that we need to consider curved surface area. Suppose you have aquarium. In that aquarium we need to cover certain area, top view and then side view. That is front view only it may be open, remaining color should be closed. So for that what we want to do. So like that, you have a box, top side is open. It's a give. So remaining we need to cover by using any color paper or by using any cloth. For that we have 5 sides. So we have 5 sides. So that 5 sides is here we have 5 a square. The same way, top side is of the cuboid is A and B. So just how to write that surface area, remaining 5 sides we need. So how to write that surface area? It's important. 2 into LB plus 2BH plus 2 This is the meaning of the surface area formula. So for that remove 1 LB. So for that minus LB. So LB 2 to cancel. We can write LB plus 2BH plus 2H. So like that we need to analyze the formulas also. Thank you.